Hello, my name is Charles Enright, and this is my project on disaster management in Denmark. Disaster management in Denmark began as the Danish Civil Defense Agency, which was combined with the Danish Fire Inspection Agency under the Preparedness Act of 1992 in order to form the Danish Emergency Management Agency. This occurred due to the shifting priorities of the Danish government. With the fall of the Soviet Union, wartime threats were superseded by a number of peacetime threats which would require a different approach in order to be addressed effectively. However, DEMA still retains the right to conscript citizens for service, and as a result, DEMA personnel are mostly conscripts which serve for 6 months. Denmark's current system follows a bottom-up implementation pattern. This means incidents are initially addressed by local responders. Local municipalities are also tasked with total defense, which requires that a number of key sectors concerning public health and infrastructure are maintained. These include utilities, power, transportation, health, and essential needs such as food and water. When local responders require assistance, emergency equipment and services are available from 6 DEMA fire and rescue centers located across Denmark. When even these efforts aren't enough, additional resources are provided when the Danish National Emergency Management Agency is activated. This national response agency can provide hazmat, chemical, biological, and nuclear teams when needed, and Army and National Guard units can also be called upon. Two major hazards threatening Denmark are winter storms and fire. A number of other hazards are also present, including terrorism, disease, cybersecurity, and those that threaten the safety of its citizens globally. The Danish National Emergency Management Agency addresses national and international threats through either its operative staff or international operative staff tasked at organizing a national response against any hazard. Challenges facing Denmark include its island geography, which makes maintaining transportation and communication difficult. Globalism has led to weaknesses concerning interdependence, such as when Sweden and Denmark suffered a joint power outage. Increasingly, climate change has also been identified as a factor in the frequency and severity of meteorological hazards. In addition to aforementioned emergency management organizations in Denmark, Denmark's disaster management system is influenced by mutual aid agreements internationally, as well as cooperation and interaction with NATO, the OECD, and the Nordic Council. Domestically, Denmark continues to update known floodplains, expand insurance needs, and require building codes in order to better mitigate and prepare for meteorological hazards. Fire incidents have led to new regulation concerning fireworks and fire response practices. Experience confronting disease was gained when controlling outbreaks of the H5N1 and H1N1 viruses. Internationally, experience was gained concerning the evacuation of Danish nationals from crisis zones during the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami and the 2006 Israeli-Libyan conflict. In conclusion, Denmark's disaster management capability is developed and efficient, making it one of the safest countries in the world. Thank you for listening.